video, I just want to share this new payout method that is available in our account. So before, I think I only saw two options, which is when you earn a minimum of $100, and you can also have an option to link to your PayPal account. So right now, I can see a bank transfer. If we earn a minimum of 25 US dollar, we will get paid in our local currency. So this is a good news, guys, because if you check the payout support, the option when you go to the payouts help, it says there that only those whose bank is in the US, and if you earn a minimum of $25, you will get paid. But if you're outside the US, our minimum payout is $100. So we will try this option. So as you can see, I have my payout last August 22 when I earned $100 and above. So to update your payout, click this gear icon. Then go to the payout method, that one. Then click update. Then choose bank transfer. And supply all the details: name, last name, middle name, bank account, and account number. The link payout method. So that's it, guys. That's how easy it is to update your payout method to the bank transfer. So we will just wait. This will really work. So as you can see, it's above $25.